Hello and welcome to the Database Showcase. Our databases are accessible from our website by going to the Adults tab and selecting Research Databases. This month, we would like to share the Small Business Reference Center with you. Select the Ohio Web Library and scroll down to find the Small Business Reference Center. This database works very similarly to the Home Improvement Reference Center and the Hobbies and Crafts Reference Center, which we have featured in previous months. The Small Business Reference Center offers hundreds of periodicals and reference textbooks to help entrepreneurs with many of their business questions. Like any good database, there is a search bar on the top. Enter any keywords or topics to begin your search. Alternately, you can browse by category. Business areas includes topics ranging from accounting, sales, and going green, to name a few. Industry information by small business type offers both articles and marketing reports relevant to different business types. Business basics are tips for business owners about beginning business practices. The Startup Kit and Business Plan is a beginner's guide to creating business plans, filing forms, and getting business ideas off the ground. All the articles and forms are printable. The Browse by Popular Sources option features full textbooks from NOLO, a business and law resource publisher. These chapters are printable as well. The Small Business Reference Center is ready for entrepreneurs of all experience levels with tools that you've seen here. This database is accessible for free from any computer or smart device with your library card. To quickly access the Small Business Reference Center, visit the Orrville Public Library website and select Research Databases under the Adults tab, then choose the Ohio Web Library. Thank you for watching.